I'm Tom Menold. I would like to welcome you to our company. You're joining an amazing group of people, our employees. You see, we're very careful about whom we hire. So therefore, congratulations to you are certainly in order for being hired. We hope this is the beginning of a very long and fruitful relationship. See, we believe you have the potential. That is, potential to be very productive and do quality work. We also believe that you have the potential to succeed at Menold as a team player. We need you to work well with other people. That's important. Above all else, we believe that you have the potential to take special care of those who choose to do business with us. So I'd like to tell you a little bit about the history of our company. In 1977, I had just moved to Morton. I'd just gotten married to my wife, Cheryl. I just finished my degree, and I had finished 2 years in the military. I also had finished a bricklayer apprenticeship. And I was working as a bricklayer, and it was very busy at that time. Building business, especially residential, was booming, and it continued to boom throughout all the 70s. In 1980, 18% interest rates stopped building completely. So all the great work we were doing stopped. So we had to find something else to do or go out of business. So we found the repair business. And we found doing things that no one else wanted to do was very successful for us. So we got into the mason repair business. We found roofing, flat roofing. People with leaky roofs need to fix things. We also found that there was some remodeling to do. So we survived the 80s, barely, but we survived. The 90s found the economy really growing, and so we got into some other things. We ventured into new construction, building houses, hotels, things like that. But we also discovered insurance loss work, repairing structures that were damaged due to fires, floods, auto damage, and the like. And we found we continued to grow all the way through the 90s, 2000s, and all the way to today. It's been a very good business for us. So through all of this, we discovered several things. That everything in business is constantly changing. It changes because of competition. It changes because of people's needs and wants. It changes because of the economy. Number two, we also want to expand geographically, and we now have an office in Bloomington Normal, office in Champaign-Urbana, and someday we'll probably have an office elsewhere. One thing that we need to think about is that productivity underlies all of our successes. We need to do our work with urgency, purpose, and efficiency. Quality people working well together can make a good company really great. So teamwork is important. We want people to enjoy doing excellent work. We want people that care about and like working with others. And we like people that like exceeding the expectations of our customers. Once again, welcome to our team. Together, we have the opportunity to provide really well for our families. We have the opportunity to really have some fun together. We have the opportunity to help other people, and we have the opportunity to really gain some satisfaction for our successes together. So thank you.